Good morning, kindergarten. It is Mrs. Merritt, and today we're going to do Module 5, Lesson 5. Our objective is I can count straws to say the 10 way all the way through the number 20 and make piles of 10 for each. So we're going to learn that 20 is really just 2 tens or 2 piles of 10s and 0 ones. Today, you don't need anything besides your fingers, and then we're going to play a game, okay? So here we go. It says, look at the fingers below. Tell me the number of fingers and tell me how to say it the 10 way. So first we have to figure out how many fingers there are, and then we can say it the 10 way. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then down here we have one more, which is 11. So right here we have our group of 10, which is right here. So we have 10 ones. And how many ones are down here? 1. Just 1. Good job. Aubrey's helping with our math lesson today too. Good job. Just 1. So that's what we're going to do for our lesson today. We're going to figure out how many fingers are on the screen, and then we're going to put it into a 10, say it the 10 way. So I have 10 ones and 1 1. Okay, we know this is 10 ones. How many ones are down here? 1, 2. Very good. 2. So you have 10 ones and 2 ones. Very good. Now if we add one more to that, we had 2. Now we're adding a finger, and we'll have 10 ones and 1, 2, 3 ones. Good job. Let's add one more finger. Now I want you to figure out how we would say this. I have 10 ones and 4 ones. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, Aubrey. Now we added one more finger, and we have 10 ones and how many fingers do we have here? 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I was using my fingers before, but you can't see all my fingers in this small little space down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to count on the screen. So pause me, take a second, and let's figure out how many ones we have and say it the 10 way. All right, let's see if we got it right together. So we have 10 ones, because these two hands are 10, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. We have 10 ones and 6 ones. Let's do the same thing for the next one. We have 10 ones, and how many more ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So I have 10 and 7. How would I say it the 10 way? I have 10 ones and 7 ones. All right. Now, how would I say it the 10 way to match this picture? I have 10 ones, very good, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. I have 10 ones and 8 ones. Okay. We have 10 ones down here. And then we have, how many ones down here? Pause me and figure it out. I have 10 ones, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10 ones and 9 ones. Okay, now, okay, this is a bit tricky. Are you ready? We know this is a group of 10. How many fingers are down here? How many fingers are down here? We have this group of 10, which I can circle for us. We have this group of 10. How many more fingers are down here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So wait, we have two groups of 10? Yeah, we do. So when we have two groups of 10, let's count how many we have all together. So we have 10 here, we know. Let's count up from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if one group is 10 ones, how many ones are in two groups? How many did we just count up to? 20. So we have 20 ones, and that is two groups of 10. You guys did such an amazing job helping me count to 20 today and saying it the 10 way. I know it seems simple, but now we're going to play a game where we're going to have to use our brains and figure out how numbers look the 10 way. So I have 10 ones and blank ones all the way through the number 20. So today, your exit ticket or your problem set is not a worksheet. It is this very cool game. You don't need to log in or anything. It's on IXL. And what you're going to do, sorry, this is not working for some reason where you can't see the whole screen. Okay, there we go. What you're going to do is figure out how many squares there are and put that number in the box. But when you're thinking about how many squares there are, I want you to think of the number the 10 way. So they have a 10 frame right here. Is it full? Yeah. So we know that there's 10 ones in there. How many ones are over here? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 10 ones and 9 ones. Altogether, that's what number? Let's count. We have our 10, so we can start counting up from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then you'd hit submit, and it would go to the next question if you got it right. Let's see. We got it right. So that is your exit ticket for today. It's fun, it's on the computer, and you can use all different shapes to figure out how many 10s and 1s there are and say it the 10 way. So even though they don't need you to say it the 10 way to figure out the number, can you do me a favor and can you do that so we can start thinking of things that way? I have 10 ones and blank ones. Okay. Have a great day, kindergarten. I will see you Wednesday. I miss you very much, and I will talk to you soon.